Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Risk appetites are practically non-existent today. Many of the largest Asian equity markets, excluding China, were off 1.5 to 3%. Europe's Stoxx 600 is off around 0.8% to bring it to new lows for the year. U.S. futures off almost 1%. Sterling continued to pound in Asia, where it reached $1.350. This was a new record low that had been set before stabilizing. The dollar is generally higher. The dollar is generally lower than all G10 currencies, as well as most emerging market currencies. Gold fell to $1,627, making it one of the lowest levels for the year. However, gold rebounded in Europe to test support and is now near $1,650. Fears over demand caused December WTI to fall to $76.75, a new low since January. Asian Pacific market. Last week, the Bank of Japan took action on two fronts. The Bank of Japan intervened to buy yen for its first time since 1998. The Bank of Japan intervened to purchase 10-year bonds unannounced because of rising global yields. The dollar is still in the intervention day range against the Japanese currency. It did, however, reach its highest level in the intervening days and reached a peak of JPY 144.25. Separately, Japan's preliminary PMI report was earlier today due to a holiday at last week's end. The composite reading was 50.9, down from 49.4, its lowest since February. The Australian dollar fell after the weekend's week close. Today, it was traded further, hitting $0.64,855, a 2.5-year low. Market of Europe. As the market continued to react against the government's mini-budget, sterling fell to $1.350 in Asian turnover early on. The criticisms of investors and economists seem to have not stopped the government. Korting, Chancellor of Exchequer, indicated that more tax cuts are planned for next year. Sterling fell to $1.350 during early Asian turnover, but has slowly recovered to $1.08. In September, the German IFO survey deteriorated. From 97.5, the current assessment is 94.5. In Asia, the euro dropped to $0.09,550, but quickly recovered to $0.9650. Market of America. Every day, there are U.S. economic data. With the FOMC meeting behind, Federal Reserve officials are also speaking every day. The data of today, including the Chicago Fed's National Activity Index and the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Survey, are not market movers. Tomorrow will feature durable goods orders, house price, and the Conference Board's consumer confidence measure. The Canadian dollar is still under pressure. It dropped 2.4% last week, the largest weekly drop in 3 months. Today's U.S. dollar has fallen to CAD 136.40. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.